You have good days. You have bad days. But the main thing is to grow mentally. I don't fold under pressure. Great athletes perform better under pressure, so put pressure on me. I want to be able to separate the average from the good and from the great. I want to separate the ordinary from the extraordinary. You've got to have a villain and they'll always make me to the villain. I'm used to it. It makes me work harder and it makes me fight harder. I am the best. There is nobody better than me. To be the best you have to work overtime. Your body is your temple. You do your body good, it does you good. I don't fight for legacy. I don't fight for none of that. I fight for the check. I'm in the check cashing business. Boxing is real easy. Life is much harder. If you work good, you're gonna get paid very well for it. Simple as that. That's how life goes. If you work hard, you're gonna get good results. Never cry. Never complain. Just work. When people see what I have now, they have no idea of where I came from and how I didn't have anything growing up. I push myself to the limit. I dedicate myself to this craft. Everybody is blessed with a certain talent. You have to know what that talent is. You have to maximize it and push it to the limit. A true champ can adapt to anything. I'm not in this sport to say, a guy can beat me. Some pay to see me win, some pay to see me lose. But they all pay. It's about having personality. It's not about being the bad guy. It's about entertaining people. Nobody can beat me. There is no way to beat me. Hard work, dedication. Everything people say I couldn't do, I've done. If you fight angry, you make a lot of mistakes, and when you fight a sharp-witty fighter like me, you can't make mistakes. I'm very, very thankful. Showing is better than telling. He can hit harder and he can be stronger, but there's no fighter smarter than me. I'll back up anything my dad says. Once I am in the square circle, I am in my home. Some people are just right for you. I believe in my skills, I believe in my talent. If no one believes in Floyd Mayweather, I believe in me. I want to be the best. Tough times do not last, tough people do. I'm a man of my word. I just got the will to win at life. I come from a very rough background, and I'm saying that if you work hard and dedicate yourself that you can make it, too.